How to make all Facebook photos private. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make all of your Facebook photos private. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. From this page, tap on your profile icon on your top right. Scroll below and expand the option of Settings and Privacy. Then tap onto Settings. Scroll below and under Audience and Visibility, tap on Profile and Tagging. Under Tagging, make sure that you have toggle on to Only Me. Do the same for rest of these options as well. For instance, for who can post on your profile, toggle on Only Me or Friends in your case. Who can see what other people post on your profile, toggle it on Only Me. And toggle on the review tags that friends add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook option. Now here also toggle on the review post that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile option. As you do so, it will ask for your review every time somebody tags you in their post. Just like so, this is how you can make every photos private. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. In the meantime, stay updated.